I am Padma Srinivasan. I am applying for the National Award instituted by the MHRD. In-service training program is a process by which teachers who are working in an organization are given an opportunity to upgrade their skills. And it also gives them an opportunity to maximize their potential in a manner that they can undertake better and more demanding roles in the organization where they are serving. It is very important that the teachers take the in-service training seriously. It improves the quality of education and also helps them improve their personality, and it value adds to them in the long run. The teachers are very, very crucial in bringing about reforms in the field of education. The success of any school curriculum depends on the role played by a teacher who executes and implements the curriculum in the classroom. There are many ways in which these capacity building programs and other programs organized by the CBSE help. I have been a part of many of these in-service capacity building workshops initiated by the CBSE. A number of these programs have been held in the school premises as well. A program on gender sensitivity was organized by the school, and I played a key role in getting it organized. And it was a very enriching program in which 62 teachers from the school attended. The second one, where I was a part, was the one which was once again organized by the CBSE, and it was on gender sensitivity once again, and it was the main resource persons were Sudha Acharya and Vijay Lakshmi Singh. Once again, the participants interacted very well with the resource persons, and each participant was given an opportunity to give their own opinion on gender. And the third workshop, in which I was a key member, which I have been a key member for a very long time with the CBSE, is the finalization of the marking scheme. I have been a part of this endeavor for quite some time with the CBSE, and it is a very important endeavor as far as I am concerned. I feel that the children write the board examinations and they have to be evaluated properly in the board exams as well by those who are actually checking the paper. The guidelines are provided in the marking scheme, and the marking scheme prepares the base for board correction, and it has to be done very responsibly and very carefully, because it affects lakhs of children all over the country. And therefore, participation in the discussion during the marking scheme preparation is a very, very crucial job. We have to present the way in which the children have perceived a question, and based on that, we have to initiate the discussion and ensure that the children are always given their due. There may be errors done by the paper setter. There may be errors which may be only printing errors, but each and every error in the paper course in terms of marks for the children. I have always viewed myself as a representative of the students. The students who have worked very hard during their class 12, and I know their pain because I am a class 12 teacher as well. And since one has been through this thick and thin with them, one understands their tribulations. And I feel that I have always been very sincere in that work of mine, and it has greatly helped me in understanding the CBSE system, which I have conveyed to the students, and that has given them an enormous amount of confidence. And I feel that this has greatly helped me enhance my teaching skills in the classroom. Alongside preparing the marking schemes, I have also been a head examiner. And after having prepared the marking scheme, you come to take on another hat, which is the head examinership. And there, once again, it is a very responsible position because you are going to get that marking scheme implemented in the center where you are appointed. So, once again, the valuable experience that I have gained by making the marking scheme, I was able to convey it to the other examiners who were working with me, and we were able to do our best for the children whose papers we were correcting over there. Once again, it was an enriching experience, and it gave me an opportunity to understand the CBSE system very well. And once again, it helped my children as well in the classroom, because I brought in my experience to the classroom and further added to the confidence of the children. I have been a trainer, a teacher trainer as well. I have been a resource person for several programs. As a subject expert, I went to DD Bharati programs, and I've conducted a program on value education at Rukmini Devi Public School, and I have been a part of the adolescence education program for a very long time. Adolescence education program is something which is very dear to my heart. I was trained by the CBSE, called and trained by the CBSE, which was at that time working in collaboration with UNFPA and training teachers to become master trainers. So, as a part of this program, I got trained by eminent resource persons, and I further went on to train teachers in different parts of the country. With a missionary zeal, I felt that I was doing something which was of national importance. We were going to far-flung areas such as Balasore, Aurangabad, Jabalpur, and so on, and training teachers over there. And it was a very enriching experience for me, because I realized that teachers all over the world carried the same passion, and every experience added to me as an educator. And I'm very thankful to the CBSE for giving me this opportunity, because I feel each and every teacher should do this adolescence education program. You understand adolescence and the teachers who handle these adolescents very well when you do this program. And I had the opportunity of training principals at that time when I myself was not a principal. Once again, it was a great opportunity.